Here is how to create drop-down lists in Google Sheets. As you can see, I have a simple task tracker with all these columns. And now let's say I want to add a drop-down list to status. So currently it's plain text, but let's see how to change that. So first select all the columns that you want to add to the drop-down menu. I've selected these and then click on Insert. Over here click on Drop-down, that's below. And as you can see, all the different options have automatically come, like completed, in progress, in review. So all the different text that exists in the cells which you've selected, they've all come as different options. And from here you can add more or delete some. So let's say you want to delete pending. I can delete that. And if I want to add another one, I can just click on Add another item and now type that over here. Then I have an option to change the color for each of them. So if you just click on this box, then these are all the different options we have. So like this, you can change the color. Then you have some more options. If you want to allow multiple selections, just check this box. And now it's done. After that, select advanced options. And here we have more options. So if the data is invalid, there are two things you can do: show warning or reject the input. And you can change that from here. And they also have an option for the display style. So these are the three different options that they have. Now, once you're done with everything, just click on Done. And as you can see, this rule has come here. So the same way, if you want to create a drop-down for some different column, just click on Add Rule. Then on top, you'll have to select the range. You can just click on this icon. And over here, you can select the range. And the same way, you can change the options from here. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to protect cells, you can check out this video. Goodbye.